guys, Chox here, and welcome back to another cake decorating quick tip. If you want to make a pseudo Batman logo for your cake at home, we can do this with a W, M's, and a couple of lines. Quick and easy. So you're going to start with a wide W. Just a little swoop, swoop. Right underneath that, you're going to put your M. Join them in a V at the bottom, and then bring this side up and connect it. Now do the same on the other side. Bring this side up, and connect it. Quick and easy. W, little m, connect it with lines, side up, wing down, side up, wing down. Wide W, little m, connect it down with a V, up to the top, down to the middle, up to the middle, down to the middle. There you go. And then you can fill it in if you want to. Smooth it out with your palette knife. But that is the basic structure for a lovely little Batman. Thanks for watching this quick tip.